Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 29th, 2024, and I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of the day, well, in a week we have American presidential election 2024. Kamala Harris versus Trump. Yes, that's the news of the day. And let me start with this one. This one will be number 9498. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 1-star, maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this correct? No, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars, a 1 star, or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only 1 single box. Always 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box, here, and there. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and 2. Here also 1 and a 2. Here, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 1. Do we have more dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? Contains the 1 and 2 and a 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? See here, quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4, and this quadra box should be here. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes. Here, quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here also a quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, now 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, those two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then these two boxes can be 1, these two boxes can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So another pair in this area is 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 4, so the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. These two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for number 1. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then let me see, these two boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me think. Come on. Well, these two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this W area shape for numbers 1, and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box supposed to be here. Mark those two boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 down, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1 should be a 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the one in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 4 and the last number in this area for number 2. Completed in 10 minutes. Well, we solve again. Told you, should be at 0 stars. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with the other puzzles and additional. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.